Nand Pulwani, yeah.
Mr. Nand Kumar, can we hear it for him? Do we have anybody here who actually witnessed the first aircraft landing on the asphalt runway in 1965, the Middle East airline? In your dream, Mr. Chandra Bhatia. All right, ladies and gentlemen, can we hear it for Mr. Chandra Bhatia? He witnessed the first aircraft landing on the asphalt runway in 1965, Middle East Airlines. Sir, do you remember that experience? You remember that day, how exciting it was?
Well, it was Middle East Airlines Comet aircraft, which landed at Dubai Airport. But before that, we had Kuwait Airways, which used to operate with the bigger capacity of the seats. And those days, we used to have a Viscount aircraft. And Viscount aircraft was operated by Kuwait Airways. We didn't have these steps even during those days. These steps, the ground generator, the air conditioner, they were all sent, these equipments, from Kuwait to Dubai in order to handle these aircrafts. So we had fun handling these aircraft, but remember one more thing, I'll tell you. We used to go and handle big aircrafts in Sharjah from Dubai. The staff used to travel from Dubai to Sharjah by car, and it used to take at least 1 hour to reach there because there were no roads and these were sand dunes. Handling couple of aircrafts, bigger aircrafts, DC-8 and DC-6 aircraft. Then we used to come back in the evening after handling Dubai Airport. We used to go back and handle the aircrafts in Sharjah. And that used to be the fun. That's all I can tell you little about Dubai Airport.
Thank you, thank you. Interesting stories going back in time. Okay, now this is a quick one. Anybody who knows the answer, just raise your hand. This side of the hall has been very quiet. So this is specially for all of you. Who can tell me the PO box of Dubai Airport? I have a different number here. No, I don't even have this number. Okay, now so many numbers are coming across, but I got something from the net. You're close to it, but still not. No, I have 2525 here. Which is now, I'm confused. Dubai Airport PO Box. 2525. Yeah, he's the only one who's given the right answer. And there are 4 witnesses here who say that he gave the right answer. All of you confused me. Thank you very much. Well, sir, congratulations. What's your name?
Mahesh Bhatia.
Mr. Mahesh Bhatia. Can we hear a round of applause? And so, since when are you with Dubai Airports?
I'm working since 1985 with them.
All right. So how are you feeling today? Would you like to say something?
Sure, I'm very excited. This is a great opportunity for me to meet all the friends whom I lost earlier. You know, when Shahid told me that there's a group on Facebook, and I was never on Facebook, so I added myself on the Facebook, and I now got to know that people around the world still are connected to Dubai Airport. So hats off to you guys for remembering us and coming back to Dubai to see us also. Thank you.
Thank you. Super. Okay, one more question for this section. And this time, please give me the right answer. When did Terminal 2 open? Which year? Which year? Terminal 2, which year? Okay.
96?
No. No, he already said 96 and I said no. So try some other answer. You know, I'm getting doubts. Do these guys actually work at the airport? Yes, okay. All right. This table? Yes, that's the right answer. Sir, say it on the mic.
98.
1998 is the right answer. Congratulations. A gift for you. And what is your name?
Salim.
Salim. Salim, this is for you. Please. Oh, he just touched it. No, we don't have a problem with the weight limit. No, you can check it in and there's no problem with the baggage limit. You can carry this. Yeah, thank you. All right, Salim, congratulations. Since when are you with Dubai Airports?
86.
Since 86. Okay. So fantastic. So you were there actually when Terminal 2 opened, 98. All right, super. Thank you very much. Another quick one. Now I'm sure this one everybody should be knowing, but I'll give a chance to the other side now. Which year did Terminal 3 open? I thought everybody would know the answer. Terminal 3, yeah. Which year did Terminal 3 open? Yeah.
2008.
2008. Absolutely the right answer. Congratulations. What's your name?
Anand.
Mr. Anand. Yeah, here we have a special gift for you. And Mr. Anand, what do you do? Which part of the airport do you work for? Or?
Well, I'm working for Emirates Airport Services as a dispatcher. And I had the honor of dispatching the first flight which departed from Terminal 3 in the year 2008. That was bound for Doha in the afternoon. Thank you.
Wow, fantastic. We have so many people here who've actually made history, who've been a part of history, and it must be such a special feeling. In fact, you must be remembering the exact date as well. Do you? Okay, it was the 14th of October as per the records. But anyway, thank you very much and congratulations. That was, I think, a very well-deserved gift. The person who dispatched the first flight from T3 telling us when T3 was started. All right, and we now have a special guest here by the name of Mr. Deepak Kumar. Can we have a round of applause for Mr. Deepak Kumar? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I've been told that Mr. Deepak Kumar is extremely talented and he is going to take us on a hilarious journey, introduce us to different people who worked for the airports, and trust me, sitting there, you'll not know when it's going to be you. So all the very best. Keep your fingers crossed. He's going to be doing a little bit of a mimicry of certain people's voices. Come on, give it up to Deepak, everybody.
Hi, good evening to everybody. I would like to mimic some of our colleagues. No hard feelings, it's just a joke or fun. Here we start. One of our very senior colleague. I will mimic and I would expect you to just give me the name, please.
इधर कौन सा लड़के तुम जाओ लोकतंत्र करिए तुम भी जाओ
Perfect, correct. Okay, he's here only with us. I'm scared, huh? Good job. One of our supervisor colleague, he's right now is not present here. He didn't come. He bites nail. Joy.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming. I would highly appreciate your leadership, and you have been a great leader. I do understand the hard work which all Dubai veterans have done. It's great, and God bless all. Thank you very much.
I didn't hear the name. Guys, loudly. No, Mr. Chandabhatia. Thank you. One of our supervisors, very antique supervisor. I will just mimic him. Goli marada. Guys,
मनी पोये किल्ले मचा है बवाल आग लगी है जल्दी करो आग लगी है मचा है बवाल जल्दी करो झूला दे
One of our duty officers, very antique duty officer, he's not here in the party. अरे राजा इधर आ राजा खाओ पियो ऐश करो लेकिन अपने अपने खर्चे पे राजा I didn't hear the name. Cool, very good. There is one of our lady. She's still with us. So just mimic her. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm going to mimic now some of our actors. Hey, मेरी बकरियां कहाँ गई? किसी ने देखा है क्या? सरजमीन हिंदुस्तान, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये बादशाह खान झुके हर वेटरन को सलाम करता है। इनके वजह से आज हम हैं, आप हैं और रियली वो एंड अगेन विश देम थैंक यू। I will come again in between. So, shall I continue or I'll come again? You know you guys are getting bored. You people want break, huh? Okay. Smart boy. जरूर यही कहा होगा सबने। सब यही सोचते हैं। लगता है रजनीकांत अपना फ्रिज खोल के छोड़ गया। इधर बहुत ठंड हो रही है।
जानी हर कोई परेशान लग रहा है, प्लीज स्माइल तो करना। मैं तो दांत गिनना चाहता हूँ तुम्हारे, प्लीज हंस तो दो थोड़ा। कल तुम्हारा टाइम था, आज हमारा टाइम है, परसों किसका होगा गॉड नो। देखो देखो करके सब दिखा रही हो पुष्पा, कौन है ये जल्दी बताना। Okay, gentlemen, there's one of our duty officer. He's working with us right now. He's not a veteran, but still I would like to mimic him. Hi, good evening, colleagues. How are you? I know you all are here. There is a win-win situation. Hope everybody has a good role model. The data at the moment, what we are looking into, standard operating procedures. Right, Saeed, that's right. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much.
ओए, मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ, फिर बाद में मिलूंगा। Bye.
Thank you, Deepak. Can we have a round of applause, a huge round of applause for Deepak? Brought a lot of humor, a lot of memories. Well, everybody has their typical styles, and that's what human beings all are about. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time now for another scintillating performance from the young ladies. So once again, it's a dance troupe that's going to take you on another performance, and this time it's going to be Arabic once again. So can we hear it for the lovely ladies? And can we have the music, please?
आजा जरा सरक ले गिरले जरा बहक ले जवानी ये हलकट जवानी मीठा ये नमकीन पानी ये हलकट जवानी ये हलकट जवानी नाइट की नौटी कहानी ये हलकट जवानी ये हलकट जवानी हलकट जवानी हाय अंगड़ाइयाँ लेती हूँ मैं जब जोर जोर से उफ, अंगड़ाइयाँ लेती हूँ मैं जब जोर जोर से वो आह की आवाज है आती हर ओर से मैं तो चलूं इस कदर कि मच जाए रे गदर होश वाले भी मदहोश आए रे नजर मेरे फोटो को सीने से यार चिपका ले सैया फेविकॉल से मेरे फोटो को सीने से यार चिपका ले सैया फेविकॉल से फेविकॉल से फेविकॉल से मैं तो कब से हाय मैं तो कब से हूँ रेडी तैयार पटा ले सैया मिस कॉल से मेरे फोटो को सीने से यार चिपका ले सैया फेविकॉल से
प्यार कर ले तू आज अंगूर की डॉटर से प्यार कर ले तू आज अंगूर की डॉटर से नसीहत भूल जाएगा तू एक क्वार्टर से पीने वाले को भी जीने का मजा आएगा ये वो दारू है जो चढ़ जाए सिर्फ वाटर से
आजा मेरे राजा तुझे जन्नत दिखाऊं मैं बर्फीले पानी में फायर लगाऊं मैं
सारे इंडिया ओ सारे इंडिया को तूने गुलाम किया रे